Hey, good morning. Yeah, everything is fine. I'm in Bangalore, Marathahalli, walking to one of my favorite places. Well, it's Jspiders. Yeah, it's a software training institute, but it's not only that. I mean, that place has a different vibe. Do you want to listen about it? Fine, set the beat, I'll catch it.
What can I think about? Cause I'm so much high with my inner fires, sharing days in a place with a million twiners. And yeah, I got a rhythm to rap about Jspiders. Where you born and how you bottom, nobody cares. When you join this community, some things will change. Cause this is not just a place to learn a course. This classrooms transform you from your roots, of course. No struggle can stop you to stand as a king. A short such whistle can change your thinking. Sometimes all you deserve is a bunch of bad words, and those are scoldings at us like sharpened swords. Let me make some words for the man of majesty. Ravish sir, you showed us how a gentleman should be. Joy San sir, Harshit sir, Rakesh sir, Pranay sir, Grishma ma'am, Jyotsna ma'am, Magna ma'am, Jennifer ma'am. Hey, wait a second. I need to choose the floor. Respect and applause. Yeah, drop it. Respect and applause for what you are doing. You all are the reason that we are improving. We may not come across in a team like what we are in. It's a bliss landing right here without even knowing. And my jetties and buddies, I wanna tell you one thing. You'll surely come across some beautiful bondings. They may not speak your mother tongue, but you'll share something significant and precious in the self-updating. ఎంత చెప్పు ఏమి చెప్పు నా తెలుగు నాదే, ఇంకే భాషలో పాడినా ఇంత కిక్కు రాదే. ఈ జేస్పైడర్స్ లో కూడా మెజారిటీ మనదే, మరి మన స్టైల్లో వాడకుంటే ర్యాప్ పూర్తి కాదే. Thousands of students who are joining and leaving, connecting, collecting moments for the lifetime. Jspiders will stay with us as a warm healing, cause it's not just a building, but it's a feeling.